Hi, my name is Ashley Chilson, and I'm going to talk to you about adaptive technology. Adaptive technology allows educators to meet the needs of all learners in an innovative way. It works by modifying instruction for the learner to provide a personalized learning pathway. These technologies allow courses and instruction to be modified in real time. Adaptive technology works by monitoring learners, analyzing their actions in order to modify the learning experience for each student. In a linear path, all learners view and complete the same content, no matter their instructional level or ability. However, in an adaptive path, content and material is individualized to meet the needs of each learner. An example of an adaptive technology that I've become familiar with during these times of distance learning is SplashLearn, which is sometimes referred to as Splash Math. SplashLearn works by increasing the complexity as each student continues to master content in order to ensure each student is being challenged appropriately. SplashLearn is a comprehensive math program that provides coverage of over 300 skills for students in grades K through 5. SplashLearn adapts to learners to provide them with a personalized learning pathway. The program is engaging in that it provides a game-like learning experience for the students. SplashLearn allows the teacher to manage and monitor student progress and create individualized learning goals for each student. Let's recap what we know so far about adaptive technology. Adaptive learning differs from traditional learning in that instruction is tailored to meet the individualized instructional needs of each student via technology. Adaptive technologies aid the teacher in ensuring each student's needs are being met in real time, alleviating some of the time constraints teachers face when planning for quality instruction. There are many great adaptive technologies available to use, and I encourage you to explore these options to see if any would assist you in meeting the needs of your students. I hope that through this presentation, you now have a better understanding of adaptive technology and learning. Adaptive technology allows educators to reach students in ways that weren't possible in the past. Thank you.